We are pleased to show you the 2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, tow hitch, power sunroof, anti-lock braking system, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.